Oh god. Well, I figured out what every single company worldwide needs. A Ford Transit with a diesel inline 4 with about 155 psi of boost and some sport tyres. Now, this thing hauls ass and is the most uncontrollable vehicle I have ever driven. So, with that being said, let's hear this baby start up. Pretty decent, am I right? Let's just give it some revs. That cloud though, wait. As you can see, 155. Jeez. Now, as you'll kind of guess, the thing's a bit of a handful to drive. Jesus, when that boost kicks in, fucking hell. Oh my god. Oh, there's a turn. Oh god. Slight accident. It still runs. Oh, this thing is uncontrollable. I'm just bad at driving. I want to see this thing on a flyby. Oh shit. Oh, there's a tree. Oh my days. That is hilarious. Nah. Fucking hell. That's on something different. Oh. Oh my god. Yes, ma'am, you will get your delivery in about 2 minutes. Fucking hell, got delivery to death. Jesus Christ. The rear wheels aren't even on the floor. Oh my goodness gracious Lord. What the hell? You are not surviving that crash, that's all I'm saying. Jesus Christ, man. Anyway, apart from that, jeez, this thing gets down. Wait, watch this. Say oh! Oh! Bloody hell. What? This thing has got too much boost. Hang on. You barely make boost before you just spin out and fucking die. By the time you make full boost, you need to shift gear. Hang on, I need this straight away. Go on, give me a straight away. Hang on. Still going. 120. Oh shit. Keep it in the straight line. There it is. Oh, that. Oh, I'm on fire. How's that happened? Bloody hell. This thing is a rampage. Let's try that bit again. Hang on. I'm not having that. Oh my. I'm sorry, but there's actually no way. This has to be rage baiting at this point. How do you keep crashing this much, man? Jesus Christ. I get it. It's got like 150... fucking boost, but you know, Jesus, keep it under control, man. Oh, that was brutal. Oh my god, it looks like that one beamer that will wrap around a pole. Jesus Christ, kerosene. Right, hang on, let's just top speed run in the Ford Transit. Hang on, wait, oh fuck. Warm up the tyres. Do I 120? Still going, 130, 140. Oh, this is a corner. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm so dead. Oh, hang on to it. Round the corner, hold it. Oh, I'm cooked. Oh, there's a tree. This thing is on something else. Right, and let's... Anyway, bro just wrapped the van around a pole like the RS6, pulled the kerosene and everything and drove away like nothing happened, didn't even bring it up. That was a fucking heavy hit. Oh. Kerosene. That's a strong ass bus shelter. Jesus Christ, it's doing like 150. Fucking hellfire. Oh, hang on. This thing could beat a fucking anything, really. Oh, hang on. Fuck! Oh, you've got to be kidding me. See, I still can't believe I never thought about, I don't know, saving the van. Because now I've got to rebuild it at some point to make the part 2. Which, saying that, if you want the part 2, you know what you gotta do. Ooh, bars, put me in a studio, brother. For God's sake. The lag. Anyway, I think that's gonna be the end because, oh my goodness, oh my god, I can't believe I deleted the van. But oh, bro, I didn't realize it would delete it. Forgot, that's so annoying. Oh well, I think there will be a part 2 to the world's fastest delivery van, and if you want to see a part 2 of the world's fastest delivery van, drop a like, drop a comment, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Sorry for the rushed episode. Also, last video blew the fuck up. I mean blew up. I'm talking like, I think it's on like 600 or something viewers right now and like 21 likes. And thank you so much to my friends who went out and got me a couple more subscribers. And thank you to the people who subscribed by themselves and weren't forced into it by my friends. But if you did stick around to the end of this video and deal with whatever this video is, you are an absolute legend, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.